graduation, that is equivalent to 20 credit units. The requirement kasi, the proposed requirement is 60 units. Pero hindi pa naman, final yon. Depende yan sa PRC. So I would like to request successful candidates or successful examiners to please stand for your induction to the PICE. Could you please stand now? Tapos at the back of your program, meron ng panata bilang kagawad ng PICE. Please raise your right hand and repeat after me. Ako si pangalan, yamang tinatanggap na kagawad ng Philippine Institute of Civil Engineers Incorporated, ay taimtim nanunumpa na aking buong pusong tatangkilikin, tutuparin ang kanyang saligang batas at mga alituntunin na ako'y masiglang lalahok sa kanyang mga gawain at ipagtatanggol ang mga adhikain at simulain na dahil sa mga ito linikha ang Institute, na ipinapataw ko ang pananagutan ko sa aking sarili ng kusang loob, walang pagkakamali o pasubali ng isipan. Tulungan nawa ako ng Diyos. Congratulations.
To the new members of PICE, you deserve a big round of applause. Congratulations! Ladies and gentlemen, we are honored and privileged to have with us today the presence of the Honorable Commission Chairman of the Professional Regulation Commission. To give a short message, ladies and gentlemen, let us all welcome the Honorable Nicolas P. La Peña, Jr.
Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Ako po ay hindi kasama sa programang ito, pero nakikiusapan tayong magbigay ng maikling mensahe sa inyo sa pagkakataong ito. Ako naman po ay nagagalak dahil bihira ang ganitong pagkakataon na tayo ay kaharap ng mga civil engineers, mga bagong civil engineers natin na bukas makalawa ay magiging mga structural engineers, mga engineers na magpupunta sa ibang bansa at doon magpapakadalubhasa o doon maghahanap ng ikabubuhay at sa bandang huli ay sa kapakinabangan ng ating bayan. Anyway, it is a pleasure to offer my warmest personal congratulations to the new civil engineers who passed the recent licensure examination. Your solemn oath taking this afternoon is a memorable event that marks your entry and acceptance into the civil engineering profession So kayo po ay kasama na doon sa mahigit na 2 milyong mga professional natin. So may pagmamalaki ninyo ngayon ng inyong sarili bilang mga professionals. As you pronounce the words of your oath, you must have taken to heart the values of excellence and integrity to which you are now binding yourselves. Importante po yun. Excellence, competence, and integrity. You perform a vital service to the country through the design and building of public works, engineering structures that serve the public and provide important linkages that boost our country's development and program. Lalo na po ngayong panahong tinatawag natin ngayong global recession. Kailangan po ang mga civil engineers para tumulong sa pag-develop ng ating bansa. Infrastructure serves as physical evidence that showcases our country's development and readiness to be a prime investment site in Asia. Hindi na po tayo masyadong nahuhuli ngayon sa ating mga kasamang mga bansa dito sa Southeast Asia. They demonstrate the Philippines' competitiveness on the global market and provide proof of our professionals' adherence to worldwide standards of engineering. I therefore urge you as new civil engineers to remain true to the highest values of professionalism through the practice of accountability and transparency in your work. In so doing, you will be a source of pride to your profession and to your country. Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat.
Be a source of pride to your profession and to your country. Honorable Nicolas P. Lapeña, Jr., Commission Chairman of the Professional Regulation Commission. And now, ladies and gentlemen, we will proceed with the recognition of the top performing schools and the top 10 examinees in the May 2009 Civil Engineering Licensure Examination. And with this, may we request the Honorable Chairman Nicolas P. Lapeña, Jr.